this club. How person wey dem buy this season just come drop me for bench? I no like this thing. No be say the guy catch ball pass me sef. This life sef. I need to do something about this thing.
This one when only you just dey dressing room. Hope all is well.
Abeg leave me Joe. Plenty things dey my mind.
You sure say plenty things dey your mind? Abi na just age dey worry you.
You no go understand abeg.
Just in case na age dey worry you, plenty food dey cafeteria. Rice and stew dey, fried rice dey, jollof rice dey, even your father rice dey. Your father rice, e dey.
Na only rice dey?
Yes na.
Abeg, I no wan chop. Since you come this club, dem wan use rice suffocate us.
That one concern you. No go drink garri o. E no good for keepers. Na wetin make Onana no dey see ball sometimes.
Too much garri?
Na. The days when you no dey chop onion come pitch, e dey commit blunders.
You mean am?
I go lie for you. Abeg, make I go digest my rice.
I dey drink garri o. You know me sha, I still need to collect back my first choice position. My guy, how far na? You don chop finish?
My brother, no be rice go kill me for this club.
Abeg o, I wan ask you for one small favor.
Wetin be that?
Abeg, you fit fake injury make I enter post on Saturday.
You carry just for mouth.
Na beg I dey beg you na. Kochi no dey look my side again.
Wait o, I no understand you. No be the better keeper suppose dey catch ball.
You no fit just come from nowhere come dey bench me. I don dey this club before you. You know better pass me.
It's like you don high.
Thank God say I ask you nicely. Anything wey do your hand, no look my side o.
You dey threa ten me? Come touch my hand see wetin go sup na. If I no take Kochi ba, call me bastard.
Oga Sarri and Oga Ancelotti, una welcome.
Kubala.
Thank you, my boy. Una dey prepare for Christmas at all?
Yes, nah. We no be English people wey dey worship Premier League. Those guys, their ideal Christmas day na Chelsea vs Man U and the Liverpool vs Arsenal on Christmas Day and Boxing Day respectively. I swear, na part of the reason I comot from Everton.
For today's show, I go like talk about that Liverpool Man U game last Sunday.
Abeg, leave that match, Joe. Something where I buy 7 crates of 7-Up to celebrate Man U thrashing.
Chai!
Hey, but hope say no be fake 7-Up you buy. Too much fake dey market now. I sure say before Chelsea enter market buy Mike Jackson, dem bin think say na Drogba Junior brother. I no really look the bottle name, sha.
Check am o. Oga Sarri, what of you?
What of wetin? You know see say that match na fake match? We order for 7-Up, dem carry 0-0 give us. Abeg leave that match, Joe. The 0-0 sweet o, but 7-Up for sweet pass am.
Chelsea narrowly beat Newcastle to qualify for Carabao Cup semi-finals. Oga Sarri, you been expect am?
You no fit expect anything with Chelsea again. Almost everything wey dey that club na fake. From their oga down to Les James hamstring, all na fake. Take am easy now. Thiago Silva no be fake guy. You da see that kind defensive blunders wey him da commit? Nothing wey you go tell me. Sometimes na fake Thiago Silva da play match. Na Badiashile dey do blunder o. Who teach am?
Oga Ancelotti, the Red Hot Gunners dey go Anfield on Saturday. From my perspective none of them strong pass the other. E dey do me like say we dey go chop draw soup that day.
Kobala, stick to your Momo questions. No come join am with Momo predictions. I no know why people still dey underestimate Arsenal. Dem fit shoot Liverpool comot. I dey predict 2-1, Arsenal win. Talk about underestimating. Why Jelona Delomans una number 1 spot? No mind them. Na rough play dem dey play. Shey they don't injure Baka. They there. Now until them injure una you go know say love play no good.